Restrooms are the most challenging room in any facility to keep clean, disinfected, and sanitized to minimize spreading germs to other locations. If restrooms are not clean and kept up properly, they can adversely affect the environment of any facility. Traditional methods of cleaning like mopping floors and using spray bottles and rubber gloves to clean restrooms by hand are largely ineffective and require the operator to come in contact with dirty surfaces throughout the cleaning process. The traditional method of restroom cleaning also creates a large opportunity for cross-contamination by pushing waste and germs around but not completely removing them. TRS stands for Total Restroom System. This machine provides a touch-free restroom cleaning system that cleans, disinfects, and sanitizes all in one easy process. The TRS not only delivers a deeper, more effective cleaning solution, but also improves productivity, minimizes operator contact with dirty surfaces, and dramatically reduces cross-contamination issues. The blow-dry system provides an optional step at the beginning of the cleaning process for dusting out vents, ledges, window sills, and other hard-to-reach places where dust and dirt can collect. The TRS is a touch-free 3-step cleaning system where Step 1 utilizes the automatic chemical metering system and 2-position spray gun for easy application of a single cleaning chemical to all surfaces and fixtures to provide complete coverage and proper dwell time to clean, disinfect, and sanitize. Step 2 utilizes the tough 550 psi adjustable pump, again with the high-low pressure spray gun, to provide high-pressure deep cleaning and pressure washing of toilets, urinals, sinks, floors, walls, and partitions by rinsing soil and contaminants to the floor so they can be easily removed with the squeegee. The third step in this cleaning process utilizes the powerful vacuum system on the TRS and the dual-head squeegee wand to quickly and effectively remove waste from the restroom, not just push it into the corners. The dual-head squeegee wand also provides the operator with a scrub brush that can be used to agitate tough areas on the floor for optimum cleaning. An optional step in the cleaning process that can be performed before extraction utilizes the blow-dry system. Connect the blow-dry hose to the exhaust port on the TRS to remove excess water from chrome fixtures and other places where water spotting may create an unfinished look to the cleaning job. The TRS comes complete with all the tools you need to perform touch-free restroom cleaning, and all these tools have a convenient place on the onboard hose and tool management system for easy one-trip transport to the job site. Once you have loaded up the TRS with all the tools, hoses, and cords, you simply wheel this compact unit to the job site with ease, avoiding multiple trips. The controls for the TRS are conveniently located on the rear of the machine for easy access and to avoid possible damage. They include the onboard GFCI for protection against overloads, the 2-position switch to select the cleaning chemical application mode or the high-pressure rinse mode, the power prime and pressure release valve for priming the pump or relieving a pressurized line, the solution line quick connect, the pump pressure adjustment knob, the vacuum exhaust connection port, the chemical metering system with holding tray for the chemical jug, siphon hose with cap and included metering tips. The pump and vacuum control switches are on the handle right above the vacuum hose connection barb, and the flexible drain hose that is used to easily empty out the vacuum tank into a toilet. The TRS has a 17-gallon capacity for longer run times, with a large, low-angled opening on the solution tank for easy filling with a 5-gallon bucket. Standard tools included in the TRS package include a 45-foot vacuum hose, a 45-foot stretch exhaust hose with cuff, blow-dry tool and mesh carrying bag, the dual-head squeegee wand, a hand squeegee, the gulper tool, a mesh carrying bag, a high-low pressure spray gun, and a 50-foot high-pressure solution hose. The TRS is not only the cleaning solution for restrooms, but for kitchens, locker rooms, and more. For more effective cleaning results, increased productivity, and improved employee morale, the TRS is the perfect touch-free restroom cleaning system to meet and exceed cleaning management programs in any type of facility.